Today we're going to be showing you how to measure for your storm door or screen door. It's an easy one for you guys. So again, you're going to need your trusty tape measure, and you're also going to need a diagram showing your storm door, or at least where you want the storm door to go. This is from the exterior view. Let's get to it. So I'm going to show you where the storm door is going to be installed. It's installed on this brick mold here, not your jamb. So you definitely want to make sure that your brick mold is sturdy and well enough to take the storm door, as you are going to be drilling into it. So if it's rotten or if it's damaged, it might be a good thing to replace it. Now these do come in a bunch of different sizes and shapes, so just keep in mind of some of the things that we're going to go through today. Let's get to it. So the first thing we want to do is measure for the width. So the width, we're going to be measuring from the inside edge to the inside edge, and we're going to take 3 measurements. First at the top, we're at 32. The middle, we're at 31 15/16. And the bottom, we're at 32 and 1/16. So we're gonna go with the middle measurement, as that is the smallest size. Next thing, we're gonna go ahead and measure for the height, and that is from right on top of your sill or threshold to the top, to the edge, the inside edge of the brick molding. Here we have 80 3/8. Because we are going to be drilling into this brick mold, it needs to have, enough space for that screw to go in. So what you want to make sure is that you're at least 3/4. On this one, we're pretty good. It's at 2 inches. And because your frame is going to be on this, we also need a minimum of about 1 inch. So here, we're good. We are at 1 inch. The other thing to keep in mind is your hardware. Most storm doors do need some clearance for here, so they're not hitting these. So you just want to measure from your door slab and make sure it's just over 2.5 inches. Now some storm doors may require less, some more, but at least you know that from this to here, it's more than 2.5. So that's really all the measurements you're going to need to get your storm door. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, subscribe, give us a like, and see you in the next one.